Lamborghini has reported record sales for the first 9 months of the year, despite the semiconductor shortage and the ongoing impact of the coronavirus pandemic in certain markets. For the period between January and September, Lamborghini managed to deliver 6,902 vehicles, a 23% increase from the same period in 2020, which itself marked an increase of nearly 6% from the first 3 quarters of 2019. The EMEA region remains the largest for Lamborghini, accounting for 2,622 units, or a 17% increase over last year. Following shortly behind EMEA is the Americas, where sales jumped by 25% to 2,407 units. The APAC region accounted for 1,873 sales, a 28% increase over 2020. The Urus remains Lamborghini's best-selling model, and in the first 9 months of the year, no less than 4,085 units found new homes, a 25% increase over last year. Sales of the Huracan also remain strong, despite it approaching the end of its life cycle, with 2,136 units sold, a 28% rise. A total of 681 Aventadors were sold over the same period, in line with its planned life cycle, the automaker said in a statement. The Lamborghini brand is in an extremely strong position, with a comprehensive and highly desirable model range across V10, V12 and the Urus Super SUV, Chairman and Chief Executive Stefan Winkelmann said in a statement. The company not only weathered the difficult climate of the last 18 months but consistently maintained its volume growth, which is testament to the strength of our product portfolio, the marque's continuing appeal worldwide, and our business strategy and dealer network.